Welcome! In this video we'll walk through how to back up your Cox emails, ensuring you always have a safe copy of your important mail and attachments. Backing up your Cox emails is important for many reasons. You could accidentally delete an email, your system might crash, or you may later want to move to a new device or email client. Having a backup means you're prepared and in control. There are two common ways to back up Cox emails. One is a manual approach. The other uses export tools or dedicated backup software. For the manual method, open Outlook and go to File greater than Add Account. Enter your Cox email and follow the setup instructions. After adding, restart Outlook. Go to File, Open and Export, Import and Export. Select Export to a file greater than Outlook data file. Choose the folder and location, then click Finish. This manual method is free and easy, but it has limitations. The second method uses a backup or export tool. You select the Cox mailbox or folders you want to back up, pick the format you want, PST, EML, PDF, choose where to save and let the tool do the work. It's more flexible and efficient, especially if you have a large mailbox or need to move to another client. Using a dedicated tool gives you flexibility. You can export only the folders you need, filter by date, choose different formats, and preserve your folder structure. Just remember, ensure you have enough space and ideally keep your backup in two locations for redundancy. Download the tool from the link given in the description below. Thank you for watching. Don't wait until it's too late. Go ahead and back up your Cox emails today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video. Subscribe to the channel for more email backup and migration tutorials, and leave a comment below if you have questions or need help. See you in the next video.